Hello friends, so in this tutorial I'll go through cd command, pwd command, its usage and its analogy. Cd command is used to change from the current directory to another directory. Directory means folder. So let's understand this. So if I open this folder, I'm seeing four things. So I'm changing the directory to Firefox, then to Chrome browser, then to Chrome. Okay, so currently I'm in Chrome's directory. Okay, so what is the parent of this Chrome? Chrome's parent is browser, browser's parent is Firefox. So let's understand this using terminal. cd, I'm generalizing first of all, directory. So cd is your command and directory where you wish to go. Okay, clear this. Okay, now I want to see I'm under which directory. So for that there's a command pwd. You can use this one. This is present working directory, so I am under this. So I want to go to the desktop, then Firefox, then browser, then Chrome. Okay, so I want to check I am under which directory. I am under Chrome's directory, right? So this is how cd command works. So I'll tell you two more things. One is single dot and double dot. Single dot is the current directory and double dot means the parent directory. Parent directory for this Chrome is browser, for browser it is Firefox. Okay, so let's use this using cd. I'm going back to the parent of Chrome, which is browser. So this is how I can reach. If I want to go to the desktop, so what you can do is you can go to like, so this one, when I type this one Firefox, I'll skip this Firefox, then this desktop. Okay, pwd. So I am under desktop. Okay, using cd command there is one more option, cd hyphen. What it does is you can switch to the immediate last directory. So cd hyphen, see, I reach to browser without typing desktop. This is how you can switch. Okay, one more thing I'll check, I'll tell you. So this is, I am under desktop, right? If I want to go to the browser, so parent Firefox, no, this is not the way. I am going back, right? So this is root. Okay, so if you want to go from the current directory to desktop, this is how you can go. Okay, so again I'm going to the Firefox, again Firefox, then browser, okay, I'm under this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you, thanks a lot.